This is how I got 33 friends, family, and mentors to invest into Groove Hub. Okay, I want to share it with you quickly, and let's see how I went about a lot of stuff and confirmed their interest, got them interested, gave them the kind of security that they need to be able to invest into such a thing that was quite difficult to get people to invest quickly in a bit. So the first thing I did was transparency. I together with the team, we had taken a lot of records, every transaction, how much we earn, how much we spend, what we want to do. Every big decision that we made was clearly stated and outlined. We met quarterly, and we had a WhatsApp platform that we share a lot of issues. So people were sure that we're using their funds to do the right thing. We have done the right thing previously, and then the future was secured for them, so they could put their money with us. It's very necessary to do as a young investor. Your funders or your investors need to be able to trust in you. It's a very necessary thing to do. So transparency is key. The next thing was patience. So when we started, nobody was really interested. Family and friends, people with money, people that we've met, they didn't really get what we're up to. So we needed to just give them that time, keep on doing what we do, keep on gathering a lot more information, keep on sharing a lot more information until people began to see the light that, oh, it's not too bad, it's working out and stuff like that. So you need to be patient enough to work these things out. It's not going to happen overnight. Some people will never really buy into your idea overnight like that. They can't really tell. They are not convinced about it. So you need to really look at that as well. And this issue was niche sensitive. So because Groove Up was a music business, the people had to be interested in music, or the advertising and marketing issue to be able to interested. So if you are doing any form of business, you want people to buy on board, you have to be careful, because maybe you are dealing with an engineer, you want him to invest into an entertainment business, you have to be sure that he's really interested in this entertainment. And sometimes people are not even enlightened about the business opportunities that some of these niches bring. Okay, so you have to take your time, educate them, give them the exposure, find people who are interested in this niche. So you are doing music stuff, you look for musicians, people who are interested in music, church folks, people who love good music. There should be a way you can connect them to it. Otherwise, they can't really understand what you are trying to do. So you need to get niche sensitive people when you are doing this as well. And this one was that I was personally an investor. I had spent my whole life on this for the past 8 years or 10 years. We've been working out this Groove Up thing, putting my money into it, and you can see it from the records that we have taken that the guy has been putting a lot of energy and funds into this. A lot of time people will ask you, how much have you put in? How much of it is yours? Okay, so they get that security that if anything happens, you are going to be the biggest loser. So it cannot go bad. You understand? I tell people that if Groove Up fails, I'm going to be the biggest loser. So Groove Up cannot fail. You understand? I'll be the biggest loser. So it can't fail. If you have a business that the investors are the people who have given everything to it, if it fails, you don't really care, because you virtually have anything to lose. You get it? So you need to invest personally into the business as well. And then last one is assets and security. I think I've said this in one of my videos. So when you are getting people to invest into a business, your assets should be able to afford the risk. When your assets can afford the risk, it means that there is security for their funds. If things go bad, you can liquidate their monies for them by selling off your assets. Okay, so the more assets you acquire, the easier it is for people to invest in you. Even the banks do ask of your assets. Okay, so you prove that you have more assets, people can actually put in more money into your business. So it's actually a thing you should look at when you are doing these things. Get a lot of assets. Spend your first moment acquiring assets. Okay, yeah, there are times that we say acquiring assets too soon is not good. Your assets will not crash your liquidity, but if you can get assets to actually convince and confirm value for your business, it's usually very worth it. So you can look at that as well. Thank you for staying through. We are going to look at a lot more of this in the series, Digital Marketing and Entrepreneurship with Engineer Viglo. Check out our playlist and let's fellowship together. See you in the next one.